Apple is expected to launch the iPhone SE 4 in early 2025, positioning it as a highly valuable option in the market, largely due to the inclusion of Apple Intelligence. This feature may be enabled by the latest Apple hardware and a possible upgrade to 8 gigs of RAM, as noted by Ming-Chi Kuo. The iPhone SE series has been Apple's entry-level model for several years, with 3 versions released so far, the latest iPhone SE 3 in 2022. The upcoming 4th generation of iPhone SE could resemble the iPhone 14 from the front and iPhone 16 from the backside. At the moment, Apple Intelligence is only available on the iPhone 15 Pro due to higher RAM and A17 Pro chipset and will soon be featured in the iPhone 16 series. However, recent reports, including one from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, suggest that the next iPhone SE could also include Apple Intelligence, with a launch expected in early 2025. Furthermore, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who has closely followed Apple's supply chain, reported that in 2025, only the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have 12 gigs of RAM, while the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone SE 4 will likely feature 8 gigabytes of RAM. This suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will highlight its advanced AI capabilities and will explore the true potential of Apple Intelligence, supported by improved heat dissipation technology, combining vapor chambers and graphite sheets. The other 2025 iPhone models, including the SE 4, will continue to use graphite sheets. At least 8 gigs of RAM is the minimum requirement to run Apple Intelligence, which is why the standard iPhone 15 with its 6 gigabytes of RAM cannot support this feature. So it's both sad and bad news for iPhone 15 users. By the way, which model you are using? Is it 15 Pro Max or another model? Let us know in the comments below. But worry not, Apple has the plan to get $500 out of your pocket. With the iPhone SE 4, which may be available for around $500 or 50,000 rupees, you'll have the opportunity to experience advanced features by denting the bank for more $500 even after you have bought iPhone 15 or 14 Pro series. In summary, iPhone SE 4 is a powerful AI-driven device, potentially making it a strong competitor against mid-range Android phones. Many Android devices currently offer only basic AI features, while Apple appears to be planning a more comprehensive AI experience, which could drive significant sales. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to have smaller bezels and Face ID instead of Touch ID. It is expected to feature a single rear camera, though it is still unclear whether Apple will use the dynamic island or the traditional notch. Current renders suggest a notch design, but I think if Apple plans to integrate Apple Intelligence into the iPhone SE 4, it's likely that we could see the dynamic island instead of a notch design. Additionally, reports indicate that the iPhone SE 4 might include new features such as an action button, USB-C port, and an Apple-designed 5G modem. So what do you guys think of iPhone SE 4? Are you excited about it? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.